Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to share with you my closet, how I organize my closet. So this is basically going to be a closet tour for you guys, and I'm going to be sharing with some tips and tricks with you guys in how I have organized this closet, so that if it can help you guys, you can go ahead and use that organizing tips. So let's just go ahead and start with the video. So guys, as soon as you enter inside the closet, as you can see, this is the California closet. It has all the compartments and enough compartment to store almost everything, all kind of clothing you want to store or you have in your closet. So as you can see, like each and every thing have its own section, and every section is really important. So I'm gonna go over each and every section with you guys, and also would let you know that half of my closet is empty because this is not my all stuff. The entire stuff is not here. As you guys know that I have moved to Chicago, and I'm not carrying all my stuff. I'm just carrying a little bit of stuff with me. So whatever I'll show you here is actually not my 100% collection of my clothes. So yeah, let's just go ahead. So as soon as you enter inside the closet, you can see we have a few drawers right here. So starting with the first drawer, I have all my undergarments. A folding which doesn't look good, and you know, I don't have time to fold them. I always dump them, and I have the sections right here where I have my undies, my socks in right here, and some of my sports bra, the stuff which you know usually you wear on a regular day. And then coming to the next drawer, I have all my gym clothes in here, and I have this stockings, a pair of stockings, and all my gym clothes in here. And once again, I keep all this stuff which you know require a lot of time in folding, and I really don't have time, so I'll just go and come do my laundry, come and dump in here, and then close it. And they don't look, you know, they look really neat and nice and organized that way. And then moving on, I also have all my swimming wear right here, because on the rooftop we have our covered pool which is temperature controlled. So every now and then, whenever we want to feel like going to the pool, I always take my kids in there. And moving on, next, just next to, right in the same drawer next to it, because it has like you know a lot of space remain in here, so I have extra pair of my gloves and a cap or a hat, you can say, for winter season, which I am not using as of now, but I should take it out. Then in the same line, if you can see, I have all my jeans in here. So I don't really have many jeans. I have like a couple of them, and all of them I stack in here on top of each other so that I can grab in whenever I want them. And they are like literally very easy to access, and to also you know look around like what exactly I'm looking for, what kind of jeans I'm looking for, and you can just grab and go. Right next to it, I have a stack of all my loose pants, pair of pants. So you can see all kind of pants which I wear on you know on a daily basis. And right above it, I have a section where I have all my formal pants in here, and also next to it I have all my skirts in here. These are not all the skirts I wear to office, but yes, some of them are stacked in here. And right above it, I have a few slacks in here, or tights, which usually I don't wear. And then right above it, actually it's empty. As I said, that I don't have my entire clothing here. So right here you can say these all are not completely filled. They're still empty, lot of empty space in this closet. So moving on, right next to it, opposite to it, I have this laundry basket in here, and you know, for all your dirty clothes. And then right moving up there, I am planning to organize all my socks in here, and I got this from eBay. These were really cheap. These were the pair of for $3 I believe, but they came broken. So yeah, so these are not of any use anymore. So I'm planning to get more, and this time I'll just make sure that they're not broken. Moving on, I don't really have the entire collection of my bags once again. So I just have a couple of them. First one is this Louis Vuitton, which this is Palace, and my Michael Kors. And then guys, above this one, this shelf, I have all my stationery in here. I always like to keep all my stationery, like something I can easily grab when I'm sleeping or I'm working. So mostly I work in my bedroom only. I don't really have a lot of space in here, so I have whatever little bits of stationery required. My markers, my I still have to organize the shelf, to be very true guys, but I didn't get a chance, so I didn't even bother about it because I think I'm here for a very short term. So yeah, moving on, this area I gave it to my husband because every 2 weeks he comes here to stay with us for a few days, and you know, he visits us really often and he needs to. His kids are here, so I'm not 100% owner of my kids yet. So he has 50% of partnership, so he has to come here. So I have his shorts, his pants, his pajamas, his underwears, and you know, as you can see, yeah, all his, this side is all his stuff. And then right in front, next to this one, if you will see, I have all my tops lined in here. So I have actually organized them depending upon the sleeve, so that I know what, you know, first. So to start with, so start from the right hand side going towards the left, start from the sleeveless to small sleeves or little sleeves, to 3/4 sleeves, and then moving on to say full sleeves. So this is how I have organized, and this kind of makes, you know, it's kind of easy for me to grab the clothing, and I don't have to think twice when I'm, you know, early in the morning, I'm in hurry that what exactly I have to wear. If it is summers, I will just come right here and grab one of the top from here, or if it is winters, I'll definitely go and, you know, grab something from the full sleeves section. So yeah, this is how it is. I have organized. Okay, and right below this I have all my jackets, my cardigans, my suits, and my coats. So as you can see, these are some of the coats and jackets I have. This is the whole pair, so I like to keep them together because this is a suit, as you can see, and this one is the skirt for the same suit, so I like to keep them together, so I have kept it like that. And then my other jackets, these are my other jackets, my cardigan, my some, you know, sweater material tops, and all my, you know, all kind of like when it is cold in office. Also, even in the summertime, it sometimes feels really cold in the office because there is AC a lot of time, so I try to, you know, keep all of them together right here, so that, you know, I don't have to look for all of these, and these are not hidden somewhere in my tops. Alright you guys, so then when we move ahead, this whole shelf is almost empty once again, and I have like a couple of items in here. This is my daughter's dress, and then I have some of my dresses. I have folded them and kept them here because these are mostly supposed to be worn in summertime, so I'm not wearing them often. And also I have a couple of like my shorts are here, and then my romper is here, so I'm not really wearing them right now, so I have stacked them here. Some of my Indian clothing are here. I have 2 suits. This one is one and the other one is this one, so these are 2 suits I have. And then moving forward, I have all my dresses right here. So as you can see, I have 2 more skirts I have in this hanger, which you can actually stack up one on the other. So this is how I have kept all my extra skirts which I have, and I didn't want to fold them and keep them like that, so that's one of the reasons I have actually put them on this hanger and have hanged them here. And then I have this this dress which comes along with this is actually a 2-piece suit. which comes with the jacket. And this one is actually I got from Bloomingdale's, and I recently have filmed a haul video. I'm going to link it up above here and also in the description box. Go ahead and check it out, and I have complete information about this. I got this really super duper cheap from Bloomingdale. So this is from the brand Hugo Boss, so definitely check it out. I have shared all the links and everything in that video. And also this is another, you know, suit with the jacket, the dress with the jacket, two-piece suit. Moving on, another, I have my office, some of my casual clothing, some of my party wears, and also I have a couple of other, you know, Indian attire. I have hang them here. And then this leather, you know, two-piece dress and jacket together. If you remember, this was also, I shared this in one of the haul video I filmed, I mean 2-3 months before ago last year. So I'm going to link that as well above right here, so go ahead and check it out. But this is beautiful too. I mean, when you put it on, this is like, whoa, wonderful. And then I have a few of my Indian clothing once again, which you can't really fold. So this is like a long lehenga sort of dress. And then I have one of my long dress which I recently just bought, and this is really beautiful. So this is how I have this entire closet. Okay, oh yes, I forgot to tell you guys, I have all my chemis, all my, you know, inner slips and everything. I have hanged them here on this one. This is basically a tie rack, but or a belt rack you can say, but I have everything right here so that everything is in front of me and I'm not like struggling finding these out. And also have hanged some of my belts in here. As you can see, this one is from Express, this one is from what brand is this from? Levi's. And yeah, that's all about it. So this is what my closet looks like right now. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this, and a little bit of I think I just have shared a couple of tricks with you guys in terms of organizing your closet. I hope that was helpful, and if you do like this video, these kind of videos, do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. We are hitting 6,000 subscribers. There is a giveaway going on my channel. Don't forget to check that video out, and then I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much guys. Have a great night. I'm filming in the night time. If it is good morning, have a very good morning. Have a very nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.